each time she climbs aboard her plane. A great adventure awaits young Jane. Today she looks for elephants. She's packed her bags and notes and tents. Jane's bright red plane flies way up high. She looks down through clouds in the sky. There's a jungle, lush and green. The most colorful place Jane's ever seen. An elephant could not live here. But there are other creatures near. Jane looks for another place to land. She spies beneath her waves and sand. The ocean's wide and deep and blue. And many animals live here, too. Jane spies fish swimming free. But elephants don't live in the sea. Jane pilots up her plane once more. The engines buzz and hum and roar. Now Jane flies over forest trees that sway and whistle in the breeze. She finds the fox and then a bear. But she can't see elephants anywhere. Jane flies away from this cool spot into a place that's really hot. The desert sand is dry and white, but elephants nowhere in sight. A cactus shades a brown lizard. An armadillo, coyotes, and little birds. Jane flies so high above the ground. Through binoculars, she looks around. Her glasses fog up from the cold. The Arctic wind howls fierce and bold. The animals here like snow and ice. For an elephant, though, it's not so nice. With glasses on and map in hand, Jane now knows where she has to land. The savanna's grass is long and brown. It's there Jane brings her aeroplane down. Lion, giraffes with long necks bent. And in their midst, the elephant.